I'm posting this video late, but it is April 4th, 2025. This morning, we ripped up all the carpet from the patio and it was re-cemented. It looks absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to enjoy the patio this summer. And I also was able to make 2 new songs to go along with this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hey, if I gotta land, I'ma stick it. Baby, let it go, you gon' miss it. Niggas on the party, again, do I sound different? Overseas and back, I was round tripping. I've been pop whipping wrists on another rhythm. I was not kidding, don't know why they playing with them. I was not finna let them get no top billing. Then they really tried to take the shit and run with it. And I bought my dog a rollie cause he rolled with it. And I bought that girl a shovel cause she gold digging. If he talking out his head, then it's off with it. Boy, the air Drake, then we taking off in it. Yeah, and if I gotta land, I'ma stick it with. Baby, let it go and you gon' miss it. Go to split the Cartier pen, do I sound different? I always said I changed, I'm just now switching. Hey, I done dozed off. I done got a different number cause I'm closed off. Used to hit the bitch and now she wanna call me like she doesn't know that phone's off. But I just met a friend and now I'm closed off. Yeah, drop around whoever bet it goes off. Yeah, Patty going backflip showing off. Yeah, and if I gotta land, I'ma stick it. Baby, let it go and you gon' miss it. Go this with the Cartier pen, do I sound different? Overseas and back, I was round tripping. I've been pop whipping wrists on another rhythm. Even block switching, don't know how you ride with them. Got a supermodel, wanna be a diamond since. All my niggas, they be on them out of town missions. Wasn't hearing me before, okay, but now listen. Pushing 5 Cadillacs like a politician. I be in and out of arenas like I'm Scottie Pippen. The pop whipping wrists going 30 with it. Put the beat in front of me, I'm dirty in it. Do this shit for bread, you niggas dabble in it. Say you need a minute, I don't have a minute. And if I gotta land, I'ma stick that motherfucker at the Clearport and park that.
Alright, I need pasta sauce for the tortellini. What are you guys thinking? 4 cheese pasta sauce. I mean, it's already cheese tortellini, so why not, right? We want to make sure, though, that no pork. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, spicy red pepper. Yep. Alright, and these are my favorite. Do not get the freezer version. They just got a new freezer version. Those ones are not good. These ones are the business. Alright, Red Lobster biscuits, Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. Yeah, we know 0-0. Jesus Christ. You know. Oh, come on, left arm. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Turn that card. Yeah. All right. So I got honey bunches of oats, honey roasteds, and the Captain Crunch without the berries. All right. Yeah. Yep. Okay, guys. Can record. Look at all these chips. Look at all these chips. Look at the chips. Look at the chips. Okay. What do we got? Hot fries. Carolina style barbecue fries. Got the goods. Get it right, get it tight, get it right, get it right, get it tight, get it right, get it right, get it tight, get it right, get it right, get it tight. Quarter to 12 and we just getting in. Brother gon' make it smart with the yin yang twin. Sipping on Patron, dum dum dum. Shawty in a thong, boom boom boom. Ass getting jiggling, motherfucker.
thing shaking like she frost, bitch shivering. Ass be delivering all type of flash, shit, cash, shit. Got these hoes shaking